Hey guys, Merry Christmas. I'm Thomas.
I'm Dylan.
And we're here with a brand new cocktail.
A brand new one.
We're calling Santa's Sidecar. So Dylan, what do we got? What are we working with?
Okay, so we're going to be doing a rum-based drink. We're using a 12-year rum. This is a Spanish rum, if you care about those kinds of things.
Check out our video about El Dorado.
Yeah, this is a good one. So we're going to do some of this. And new this season, this has been kind of getting a revitalization, if you will. The Alpine liqueurs, so liqueurs from the Alps. Very
Génépi?
Yeah, this one is a génépi. It's l'authentique. We're using Meyer lemon juice. Meyer lemons do provide a little bit of a different taste, and we're going to be using some simple syrup as well. Very simple drink, but very tasty.
Yeah, and he used raw sugar to make his simple syrup.
Yeah,
so that's why it's brown.
Use whatever you want. Okay, so we're going to do 2 ounces of the rum. We're going to pour it in the cocktail shaker over ice. Some people add the ice in the beginning, but I mean or after everything's added in. But we're doing a video, and I didn't really feel like showing the whole me grabbing the ice with my hands and all that stuff.
We're doing a video. And then next is the génépi.
Yeah, so I'm going to do an ounce of this. Just right in there. We've got some fresh squeezed Meyer lemon. We're going to be doing about a ½ ounce to 3/4 ounces of this.
Don't want it to be too tart, eh?
Yeah. And then to top her off, we're going to do about an ounce. You can do it. It depends if you got a sweet tooth, then you do an ounce. If you don't like the sweetness so much, you can cut it down to 3/4 ounces. It's very, very forgiving.
So what we replaced in the sidecar would be. I realized I was about to talk when he was shaking the cocktail. And what kind of glass are we using?
So this is just your run-of-the-mill cocktail glass. I think this is a 5-ounce one, so it's going to be a smaller cocktail, so we use a smaller glass. So just strain this bad boy out. Get it nice and full. And I have this little garnish we made out of a Meyer lemon peel, and we had some lavender growing in the garden, so we're just gonna stick that in there and have it awkwardly float away.
Santa would like that.
Yay! Try that out. It's probably too buoyant.
That is good.
Yeah, so we really wanted to play up the notes of this, because what's the point of putting a liqueur in if you can't taste it?
Yeah.
And since this is our main feature, we wanted to not be too busy around that. The rum provides a good base. You can distinguish it from this.
Yeah.
So you're getting a lot of the terroir of the Alps, if you will.
It's like your sidecar went off the road into the Alpine forest.
Santa had a bottle of rum, and he fell off his sleigh in the Alps, and then he made this drink.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. And we'll see you soon for more tastings and more cocktails. Join us, won't you?